Let's dive back into the techTongBo factory in this video to learn more about the brushes and side brushes of our robotic vacuum cleaners. If you are looking to buy a replacement brush or side brush, first check its compatibility. The quality of third-party parts varies. For the brush to work well, it needs to be securely mounted on the motor shaft and run smoothly. This depends on the injection molding technology used in manufacturing. While our skilled workers are crafting the plastic parts for the brushes. Over there, we have the side brush parts. We've accumulated nearly a decade of manufacturing experience, and our parts have been tested in the global market. To get high quality affordable brushes and side brushes, second, look at the bristles. Our tufting machine is adding bristles to these brushes. You can see that the bristles are dense and don't shed, which is crucial to ensuring the cleaning efficiency of the machine. Typically, brushes are made from materials with good durability and wear resistance, like nylon or rubber. As for the side brush, its edges are soft and won't deform easily. Even after long-term use, you can just soak it in hot water and will bounce back to its original shape. If you are interested in our parts, don't hesitate to reach out. CC will introduce you a high-quality component.